You already know that your thoughts create your reality. But if that's true, why do your intentions fade by Thursday? Here's the disconnect. You're trying to change your life with momentum, but your subconscious is wired for maintenance. In Master Key System Chapter 3, Charles F. Haanel reveals something powerful. Your conscious mind chooses the thought, but it's your subconscious mind that turns that thought into habit or forgets it. Here's the key. What you repeatedly focus on with feeling and belief becomes embedded, and what's embedded becomes automatic. You don't need more discipline. You need a process to impress the subconscious. Let's make this practical. Do the neural pattern ritual. Pick a single empowering thought tied to your goal. Write it, read it, visualize it. Then close your eyes and feel as if it's already true. Repeat this daily at the same time for 7 days. You're no longer trying to change. You're building a new mental blueprint, one thought at a time. What you're doing isn't just mindset work. It's subconscious reprogramming, habit alignment, and manifestation at the structural level. You've just started rewiring your inner world. But what if everything around you still looks the same? In the next episode, we'll uncover why that's not a sign of failure. It's a sign that change is about to break through. Next, feeling stuck? The outer world is just a mirror. If you're ready to stop recycling old patterns and start building habits that move you forward, subscribe now. Rewiring begins with repetition.